Your growth is calling? It's a persistent whisper that echoes within your soul, urging you towards self-discovery and personal progress. Are you ready to heed its call? Embark on a transformative journey with us as we explore 10 pivotal habits that will fuel your personal growth and empower you to become the best version of yourself. Welcome back to our channel, your place for daily motivation and practical advice on personal development.
Ho, ho, ho!
Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Let's dive right in. 1. Cultivate mindfulness through meditation. In the bustling chaos of daily life, it's easy to lose touch with ourselves and the present moment. Start your day with a quiet moment of meditation. Even just 5 minutes of focused breathing can work wonders.
Ho, ho, ho!
This practice helps you cultivate mindfulness, bringing your attention to the present and fostering a deep sense of inner peace. As you become more attuned to your thoughts and feelings, you'll gain clarity, reduce stress, and unlock your emotional well-being, setting the stage for personal growth and self-discovery. 2. Embrace continuous learning. Personal growth is a lifelong adventure, and the world is your oyster. Be curious.
Ho, ho, ho!
Ask questions, read books, take courses, or simply engage in thoughtful conversations. Nurture your intellectual curiosity and keep learning. By expanding your knowledge and skills, you open doors to new opportunities, strengthen your problem-solving abilities, and stay mentally agile. Remember, life is a continuous learning process. So embrace challenges, be open to feedback, and never stop nurturing your love for learning. You have an infinite capacity to learn and grow.
Ho, ho, ho!
3. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential. Make time for activities that replenish your mind, body, and spirit, whether it's going for a walk, enjoying a hobby, or simply taking a break. Prioritize self-care by attending to your own needs. You'll boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall well-being.
Ho, ho, ho!
When you're feeling your best, you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges and pursue your personal growth journey with renewed vigor. 4. Set clear intentions and goals. Imagine setting clear intentions and goals as the North Star guiding you through the vastness of life. It provides direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you.
Ho, ho, ho!
What do you want to achieve? What kind of person do you want to become? Write down your goals and revisit them regularly. This simple act will help you stay focused, make conscious choices, and track your progress. Remember, your dreams have the power to shape your reality. 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful habit that can transform your perspective and enhance your overall well-being.
Ho, ho, ho!
Take a moment each day to appreciate the blessings in your life, whether it's your health, loved ones, friends, or simply the beauty of nature. By expressing gratitude, you shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life and cultivate a sense of contentment. This practice can help you overcome negative emotions, build resilience, and foster optimism, setting the stage for personal growth and happiness.
Ho, ho, ho!
6. Build a supportive network. Your network plays a crucial role in your personal growth journey. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift, inspire, and support you. Nurture relationships with friends, mentors, and coaches who believe in you and your potential. Seek out communities that share your interests and values. By building a strong support system, you'll have a network to lean on when facing challenges.
Ho, ho, ho!
Celebrate your successes, and help you stay motivated on your path to self-improvement. Number 7. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth often happens when we push past our comfort zones. Challenge yourself to try new things, take calculated risks, and embrace the unknown. Whether it's speaking up in a group setting, learning a new skill, or traveling to a new place, step outside of your comfort zone. By doing so, you'll confront your fears, build confidence, and discover new strengths.
Ho, ho, ho!
Each experience will teach you valuable lessons and help you expand your horizons. Number 8. Practice self-reflection and journaling. Self-reflection and journaling are invaluable tools for personal growth. Take time to look inward and process your experiences, emotions, and values. Journaling can help you gain clarity, uncover patterns, and gain insights into your thoughts and behaviors. Regularly assess your goals, values, and priorities to ensure they align with your evolving self.
Ho, ho, ho!
By embracing self-reflection and journaling, you'll embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal transformation. 9. Develop a growth mindset. Your mindset can significantly impact your personal growth journey. Embrace a growth mindset, which means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, learning, and persistence. Challenge fixed limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering affirmations.
Ho, ho, ho!
When faced with setbacks, view them as opportunities for growth and learning rather than as failures. With a growth mindset, you'll be more resilient, adaptable, and open to feedback, setting the stage for success in personal growth. Number 10. Take inspired action. Taking inspired action is a crucial habit for anyone looking to fuel their personal growth journey.
Ho, ho, ho!
It involves identifying opportunities that align with your values, passions, and goals, and then taking steps to capitalize on them. This could include reaching out to someone you admire, pursuing a new career path, or starting a side hustle. Taking inspired action allows you to live authentically, pursue your dreams, and create a life that reflects your deepest desires. It's important to note that taking action doesn't always mean diving headfirst into something new.
Ho, ho, ho!
It can also involve making small changes in your everyday life that align with your goals. For example, if you want to become healthier, you could start by taking a daily walk or trying out a new healthy recipe each week. These small actions may seem insignificant at first, but over time they can add up to big results. The key to successful inspired action is to start small and build momentum.
Ho, ho, ho!
When you take even tiny steps towards your goals, you'll start to feel a sense of accomplishment and motivation that will propel you forward. Personal growth is a profound and transformative journey that can lead to a more fulfilling, meaningful life. By incorporating these 10 habits into your daily routine, you can set the stage for self-discovery, self-improvement, and personal fulfillment.
Ho, ho, ho!
Embrace the power of these habits and watch as they become the driving forces behind your journey towards becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, growth is a continuous process. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never stop believing in your ability to evolve and thrive. We hope you found this video insightful and empowering. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.
Ho, ho, ho!
We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please share them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Ho, ho, ho!